Do you reuse the same exact password across multiple accounts or store login details in a notebook? If so, you're not alone, but you're also taking a big risk. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and in this video, we're going to walk you through how to set up ExpressVPN Keys, a password manager designed to make your online life safer and simpler. In about 10 minutes, you'll learn why a password manager is essential, what makes ExpressVPN Keys unique, and how to install and start using it on your devices. By the end, you'll be able to generate strong passwords, securely store them, and sync them across your devices without any fuss. Now, why use a password manager? Managing passwords is hard. Each website and app demands a unique and complex password to protect against hackers. If you reuse passwords, a single breach can compromise multiple accounts. Writing passwords down or saving them in a plain text document exposes them to anyone who finds the list. Even browser-based password storage can be risky if your computer is lost or infected with malware. A password manager solves these problems by creating and storing strong, unique passwords for every account you own. All you have to do is remember a single master password. The manager encrypts your vault locally and syncs it across devices without ever exposing your data to the service provider. Using a password manager reduces the temptation to reuse passwords and protects you against credential stuffing attacks, where hackers try stolen credentials on various services. It also makes logging in faster and less frustrating because it can autofill your credentials. What is ExpressVPN Keys? ExpressVPN Keys is a password manager included with an ExpressVPN subscription. Now, unlike standalone managers that charge separately, Keys comes bundled, and after you cancel your VPN subscription, it continues to function for free with no item limits. Keys employs strong encryption, including AES 256 and Argon 2 for key derivation, and follows a zero-knowledge architecture. That means ExpressVPN can't see the contents of your vault. Only you have the key to decrypt your data. Keys stores more than just passwords. You can save credit card details, secure notes, and in some cases, passkeys or two-factor authentication codes. It generates new passwords of customizable length and complexity and can display how long a password might take to crack. The manager syncs across unlimited devices using browser extensions and mobile apps. At the time of this video, Keys supports Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers, along with Android and iOS apps. Support for Firefox or Safari is not yet available. There are no family sharing features at the moment, so each user needs their own vault. However, for individual use, Keys is a robust and audited solution that's undergone third-party security reviews. Preparing to set up ExpressVPN Keys. To set up ExpressVPN Keys, you'll need an active ExpressVPN account and access to a supported browser. Currently, the password manager works as an extension on browsers like Chrome, Brave, Edge, Vivaldi, and Opera. If you're using a mobile device, you can download the Keys app from the Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. Make sure your ExpressVPN app is updated to the latest version because the extension and mobile app rely on your ExpressVPN credentials for initial authorization. So if you don't already have an ExpressVPN, you can go ahead and click the link down below in the description. It'll bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and get started with ExpressVPN. So they've got three different plans to choose from. They've got the basic plan, the advanced plan, and the pro plan. So you need at least the advanced or the pro plan to take advantage of the password manager. If you go ahead and scroll down here, you can see password manager. It is not available on the basic plan. So you definitely need at least the advanced or the pro plan to get started. Now, where you do have some options is you can go ahead and choose the initial service term. So they got a 2-year plan, a 12-month plan, and a 1-month plan. And you're not going to see any savings with the 1-month plan. As you can see, the pricing jumps up quite a bit there. So I recommend going with the 2-year plan or at least the 12-month plan. So go ahead, click on Get Advanced, and you'll see for $88, you're going to get 2 years plus 4 months to ExpressVPN, and this comes with the Express Keys password manager. Now, ExpressVPN also has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can go ahead, try this out, see if it's going to be the right VPN and password manager for you, and make your decision within those 30 days. Now, before installation, think about where your existing passwords are stored. Many people keep them in a browser or another password manager, or even just maybe your Notes app. app. ExpressVPN Keys allows importing from CSV files exported from other managers. You can also start from scratch and add accounts manually. Additionally, consider creating a unique master password that you haven't used anywhere else. This password should be long and memorable. The passphrase is ideal. You'll use it to unlock your vault, and you cannot recover your data without it. Installing the extension. Here's how to install ExpressVPN Keys as a browser extension. First, navigate to the Keys page. Open your browser and go to the official Keys download page. You can find the link on ExpressVPN's website or within the desktop app under Password Manager, or we'll go ahead and put the link for you down in the description as well. Add the extension. Click the button that says Add to Chrome, or the appropriate label for your browser. Confirm any prompts asking for permissions. The extension needs access to your web pages to autofill passwords, but it doesn't send your data to ExpressVPN. Authenticate with ExpressVPN. After installation, a pop-up will appear asking you to sign in to your ExpressVPN account. Enter your credentials and any two-factor authentication codes required. Create your master password. When prompted, go ahead and set a strong master password. Make it a phrase that you can remember but others won't guess. Once set, the extension will generate a recovery code, usually a long string of letters and numbers. Save this code in a secure offline location, such as a password-protected USB drive or printed copy. It's the only way to regain access if you forget your master password. Adding and importing passwords. With the extension ready, it's time to populate your vault. Manual edition. Navigate to a website you use and log in with your existing credentials. ExpressVPN Keys will detect the login form and offer to save the username and password. Accept the prompt to store it. You can also click the extension icon and choose Add Login to manually enter account details, including notes and categories. Importing. If you use another password manager or browser, export your data as a CSV file. Then in the Keys extension, click the menu and choose Import. Select your CSV file and map the appropriate fields like website URL, username, password, etc. The extension will add all entries to your vault. Review them afterward to ensure accuracy. Generating new passwords. When creating new accounts or changing weak passwords, use the built-in password generator. It lets you adjust length, include or exclude special characters, and displays how many years it would take to crack the password. Copy the generated password and paste it into the sign-up form. The extension will automatically offer to save it. Using ExpressVPN Keys on mobile. If you want access to your passwords on the go, then make sure to download the Keys app on Android or iOS. Install the app. Just search for ExpressVPN Keys in the App Store and install it. Sign in. Open the app and log in with your ExpressVPN account. You may need to confirm a verification email or enter a code sent to your device. Unlock with your master password. Just enter the master password that you created. The app will sync your vault from the cloud. You can also scan a QR code from the browser extension to link devices quickly. Enable autofill. On Android, enable the password manager in your system settings under autofill services. On iOS, go to Settings, Passwords, Password Options, and choose ExpressVPN Keys as your autofill provider. And this allows apps to fill in login forms across other apps and browsers. The mobile app includes a password health checker that scans your vault for weak or reused passwords and alerts you to potential breaches. Now, although this feature isn't yet available in the desktop extension, you can run the check on your phone and then update your passwords via the extension. Features and best practices. Here are some tips to make the most of ExpressVPN Keys. Use categories. Organize your logins into categories like social, financial, work, and entertainment. This makes it easier to find items when your vault grows. Store secure notes. Keys isn't just for passwords. You can store sensitive notes, Wi-Fi passwords, license keys, and more. These notes are encrypted alongside your logins. Watch for breach alerts. If Keys integrates a breach monitor or password health feature, then pay attention to its alerts. Change compromised passwords immediately. Avoid password reuse. The password generator makes it easy to create unique passwords. So resist the temptation to recycle a strong password across multiple sites. If one site is breached, breached, the others remain safe. Protect your master password. Never share your master password with anyone. Because ExpressVPN can't recover it for you, losing it could lock you out permanently. So write it down and store it securely if you think you might forget. Limitations and considerations. No password manager is perfect, and ExpressVPN Keys has a few limitations. Browser support. As of 2026, Keys works on Chromium-based browsers and mobile apps. There's no native support for Firefox or Safari yet. You can still access your vault via the mobile app, but desktop integration is limited outside Chrome-like browsers. No family sharing. Unlike some password managers that offer family or team plans, Keys doesn't provide shared vaults. Each user must have their own vault and subscription. No desktop app. Keys operates through browser extensions and mobile apps. There's no standalone desktop application. This isn't a deal breaker for most people, but some users prefer a full desktop client. Now, despite these limitations, Keys provides strong security and ease of use for individuals. It continues to improve, and future updates may add more platforms and features. ExpressVPN Keys turns the often tedious chore of managing passwords into a quick, secure process. By creating one master and leveraging the built-in generator, you can ensure that every account uses a strong, unique credential. The extension and mobile apps synchronize seamlessly, and the zero-knowledge design means you control your data. Installing the extension, setting up your master password, importing extra logins, and enabling autofill takes about 10 minutes. Today we've covered why password managers are essentials, what sets ExpressVPN Keys apart, how to install and set it up, and tips for staying organized and secure. If you've been relying on memory or a paper list, now's the time to make the switch. So if you want to get started with ExpressVPN and ExpressVPN Keys, you'll find the link down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we cover everything from VPNs and cybersecurity to how to stay safe online and detailed product comparisons. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.